Okay, all right, let's go through the Carbonyl MCQs. So our very first MCQ, we have a flow chart which shows three reactions. We'll start off with compound P, right? So compound P, the very first thing you got to notice, right, is that these three reactions, you got to first recognize your reagent and condition. What are they mostly used for? So that will allow you to deduce the functional group, which will then directly answer the question below. Okay, so compound P reacts with NaOH in ethanol, heat under reflux. This reagents and condition, right, is mainly used for elimination for halogenoalkanes. All right, so it will become an alkene as shown below here. So our compound P, right, most likely is a halogenoalkane. Okay, next up we look at this reagent and condition, NaOH, but this time around it is aqueous. Okay, so when you heat under reflux for a strong base, right, mostly is to do a nucleophilic substitution. Okay, to substitute your halides for OH. Okay, so your compound Q is likely to be an alcohol. Okay, so we have halogenoalkanes and we have alcohol. The last reagent and condition, if you look at it, dichromate, acidified heat under reflux. This set of reagents and condition is for oxidation. Okay, so oxidation of alcohols, right? You will either get ketone or carboxylic acid. So if you look at your options below, we only have carboxylate, but we do not have ketones. Impossible to get aldehyde from heating under reflux because aldehydes you need to heat with immediate distillation. Okay, so your compound R most likely is a carboxylic acid. Okay, so for question one, your answer should be A.